Welcome back. Unboxing Kobe 6 Protro Mambacita Sweet 16. The Nike Kobe 6 Protro Mambacita Sweets 16 pays tribute to the late Gigi Bryant and the Mamba and Mambacita Sports Foundation. The Nike Kobe 6 debuted in 2011 and was the sixth signature sneaker between Nike and the late Laker legend, Kobe Bryant. In Nike would retro some of Kobe's older and most memorable sneakers under their Protro program as a means to better equip each pair for the demands and needs of current athletes. The Nike Kobe Protro Mambacita Sweet features a black snakeskin-inspired upper as a tribute to Kobe's Black Mamba on-court moniker. Gigi's basketball jersey number 2 is stamped on both lateral sides of the ankle. Sizes available now in store. Subscribe for